everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a bag unboxing for you today. This is a bag that I kind of bought on the spur of the moment. I had seen it, I thought it was the cutest thing I ever saw in my life, and I kind of hesitated a little bit before I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger, but I ended up thinking if I don't get it, I'm probably going to regret it, so I went ahead and purchased it from Nordstrom. The bag has just arrived, so I am going to do a true unboxing here. And so I'm going to apologize ahead of time in case there's all kinds of plastic and foam and wrapping and paper and so forth. So we're just going to get right into the unboxing here. So this is not a true like a high-end luxury unboxing. This is a bag that is a little bit more, what do they call it, high street, or you know, maybe just a more of a low price designer bag. Okay, so it's not too badly wrapped here. There's a lot of plastic, but overall it doesn't look like there's too much else to unwrap, so that's perfect. It's going to make it a lot easier to show it to you. And I'm going to take it out of the plastic. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't stand it. Look at it. It is the tote bag from Marc Jacobs in the shearling style. How cute is this bag? When I saw this thing, I thought, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I have been looking for, because all summer long I was obsessed with my Coach Dempsey tote, which I'm going to grab over here. And I used it almost every day. I thought it was so functional, so cute, went with everything, and I just got so much use out of it. I fell in love with this bag, but obviously the canvas is very light, the leather is white, and it's very much a summer bag, so I had to put it away for the season, and I was kind of missing that type of function. And then when I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, I have to get this thing. So this is the shearling, the faux shearling bag, and this is the mini size, which I think is going to be absolutely perfect for me. Oh my gosh, I have not seen this in person, so hopefully it's going to be exactly what I anticipated. Oh my gosh. All right, so look, it has a zipper right across the top here, and I'm familiar with the tote bag from Marc Jacobs because I have a larger one, like the small size in black, and I like that bag except for the fact that it is made out of canvas and it collects a lot of lint, and I have a white cat, so a white cat and a black bag don't go very well together. But this one, obviously shearling, it's not going to collect any lint, and yeah, the zipper seems very nice. So let me open that up. You can push all of this stuff inside the bag, and oh, there is a ton of stuff in there. So let me start pulling things out. This must be the dust bag. I didn't know they came with the dust bag. Pretty sure my other one did not. Look at this. This is very, oh, cool. It has like a ribbon tie on it. That's really nice. In fact, I think I might use that for my black bag because I feel like it collects lint and dust and it's hard to clean. Okay, what else have we got? This must be the strap. So, oh, I lied. I said that there wasn't going to be a lot of wrapping, and here is all the wrapping. All right, let me get my handy knife out. So my idea behind this bag, as soon as I saw it, I thought this is going to be probably very similar in size to the Dempsey tote from Coach, and since I love that bag so much, I thought I would probably enjoy this one an awful lot too. And I think based on the size that I'm seeing here, it looks to be just about the same size. So that's going to be perfect. That will mean that I don't have to worry about weeding all of my belongings out when I am changing bags. A couple of videos ago, I talked about what's really in my handbag, and I do carry an awful lot of stuff. Okay, so very similar to the other bag that I have. This has this really nice adjustable strap with two really big chunky rings that clip on like that. It seems very adjustable. It's very sturdy. It feels like seat belt material, which as we all know is super sturdy, so that is probably not going to break. And based on these clasps, I would imagine that it's going to be very durable. Okay, I've got more paper to pull out here. I'm just going to throw it on the ground, and then I have my little info from Marc Jacobs. So take that out and see what we have. It's probably just information, care information. about the bag itself. So I'm gonna pop that over there with the dust bag. All right, and I think that is it. Okay, so that's the interior of the bag. It is canvas. It has a leather patch here that says Marc Jacobs. There don't appear to be any pockets in here at all, which is probably a good thing since the bag is pretty small. It does have the D-rings on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and clip the strap on so that I can check that out. So what I love about tote bags like this is their versatility. I feel like when your bag has a couple options for carrying it, it makes it so much more functional. So I do love a tote bag, and I do love to carry it on my hand like that, but I also put it on my arm, and then sometimes you just need to have your hands free. You know, if you're grocery shopping or you have shopping bags or something to carry, you definitely want your hands free, and so I always have my strap ready to go anytime I am carrying a bag that has short handles plus a strap. I always just keep the strap attached, and then I will throw it over my shoulder as needed. So let's see what this looks like when it goes on my shoulder. Okay, very cute, very nice and lightweight, as I expected. These bags are not leather, so they're not going to be really heavy. And wow, this is just the cutest little thing. So I'm kind of obsessed a little bit with shearling now. I went out and got shearling slides last fall, and this fall I got a shearling vest to wear, and I have been wearing it quite a bit. And when I saw this, like I said, I had to have it. So this one comes in 3 different colors. There is black, which reminds me of a poodle because it's so cute. Then there is a dark gray, and then there was this light beige one. And I like the light beige best because I thought it really showed off the shearling feature on the bag. So it is styled exactly like my other one. I keep talking about it, so let me just grab it real quickly. So this is my small size, the tote bag from Marc Jacobs, and it has all the same kinds of features as the big one. No feet on the bottom or anything like that, but I don't think you would need it. And again, it's really lightweight, so you can close it up if you want to with the zipper. You can hold it with the shoulder strap, you can hold it with the short straps, and it also has this little strap right here so you can put something in there. It looks like it might be a little bit small for a water bottle unless you have one of those narrow ones, but you could pop things in there. I could see an umbrella or just something that you need to put aside and want to have handy access to. So overall, I think it is exactly what I was looking for. So let me just compare these two side by side. So this is obviously a little bit smaller. Maybe it does have a strap just like this one does. So I think it's going to be perfect. I think I'm really, really going to enjoy it because it's just so darn cute. So is this the most ridiculous bag I have ever bought? Possibly. It may well be. But I don't care. I love it. I think it's absolutely cute and adorable. It reminds me of a teddy bear. And yeah, I just could not resist it. So I will link this down below. There are several retailers that have it available. And I'm going to set out to use this bag. I will let you know what I think of it and how it functions for me in a couple weeks after I get a good feel for it. But I'm really, really excited about this. It's just so cute, isn't it? Like I said, reminds me of a teddy bear. So that is my mini The Tote Bag in shearling from Marc Jacobs. So that's it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week in my next video. Take care.